Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by solidifying the environment. Create a venv and lock dependencies so builds are reproducible. Once done, decide why you pick a packager, Pi installer for single executables, briefcase for native apps, and install it into your venv. Make a minimal entry script and test running it locally. This validates that imports and resource paths work. Make sure to include non-Python assets in package data. Run a quick local build to surface missing files early. Now you craft the build configuration and execute the packager. You write a spec or config that names the entry point, embeds icons, and lists hidden imports. This prevents runtime failures. Adjust your code to use relative paths and PKG resources or importlib. Resources so bundled data loads reliably. Once configured, run the build and install the artifact in a clean VM or container to mirror user systems. This reproduces missing DLLs or permissions issues. Finish by creating a user-friendly distribution. Sign binaries if required, produce an installer or zip, and attach a clear README with runtime prerequisites. Once published, verify installation on a fresh machine and confirm app shortcuts, permissions, and file associations work. If something goes wrong, inspect the runtime logs first. Missing dynamic libraries, path issues, or antivirus blocking are common culprits. Rebuild with verbose logging or a debug build. Fix the root cause and iterate until the clean install succeeds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.